Okay, and quickly taking you through the ophthalmology recall questions that were asked. See, one question that was there: are the following are used in amblyopia therapy except? The question was except. Okay, except. ठीक है बच्चों, एक्सेप्ट में there was strabismic surgery, patching, refractive error correction. We know amblyopia, the first and basic rule is that you have to do a refractive correction that is there. Okay, that is for your anisometropic amblyopia, है ना, you have to do it. Patching तो we all know is used for amblyopia therapy. Strabismic is also for your strabismic amblyopia. For that also you can do a strabismic surgery, that can also be done. Video game, I believe, should not be a correct answer. It is not video games. There are no games that you would advise because video games would lead to increase in the myopia. Okay, ठीक है. Is that okay, बच्चों? Is that okay? Is that question correct? Waiting for your confirmation. Just quickly, this slight delay. आ जाओ फटाफट. वीडियो गेम्स, हाँ वीडियो गेम्स कौन देता है? ठीक है, वीडियो गेम्स आर नॉट. ठीक है, देयर वाज नो ऑप्शन. ओके, ठीक है. चले आगे. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, देयर वाज एन इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, वीडियो गेम. दिस इज इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन वेयर दे हैड गिवन अ बेसलाइन. They had given this second image where they had shown both the eyes had gone to one side. In the third question, they had shown that the right eye was not adducting and the other eye was going into a nystagmus. Okay, this I've told in the class also, that one eye has gone on one side and looking at the other eye. Okay, it is dancing at the other eye. So I give the example in Jacqueline Fernandez is calling me and I'm looking and then there is a dancing. Okay, dancing. Yes, so this is internuclear ophthalmoplegia. This is internuclear ophthalmoplegia. Left eye सब confusion is there. ठीक है, internuclear ophthalmoplegia INO. ओके, हाँ ऑपोजिट होगा डॉक्टर वार्ष्णी, बट हाँ, but there was this question that one eye is not adducting, the other eye is undergoing a nystagmus. ठीक है, ठीक है. लेफ्ट आई nystagmus, राइट आई नॉट मूविंग, है ना, abduction was happening. ठीक है, लेफ्ट आई was not moving. हाँ, राइट आई लेफ्ट आई मत करो, डोंट थिंक अबाउट राइट लेफ्ट आई, बट वन आई वाज मूविंग एंड वन आई वाज नॉट मूविंग. ठीक है, दैट इज द correct answer is going to be intellectual ophthalmology. Fourth option, I believe I have just now got, is the thyroid ophthalmopathy. Okay, that is thyroid eye disease or thyroid ophthalmopathy. Is that the fourth option? Please confirm that. Why not C? बेटा हॉरिजॉन्टल गेज पैल्सी में अगर 1.5 सिंड्रोम होता है, ओके, 1.5 सिंड्रोम में one eye is completely not moving, so it will not move this also. See here, focus here. See this 1.5 syndrome में one eye is totally not moving. See here, one eye, this eye is also moving, this eye is also moving. So it cannot be a horizontal gaze palsy. Horizontal gaze palsy is 1.5 syndrome, beta. 1.5 syndrome में both eye will not move. So one eye is totally not moving, other eye is half not moving. That is 1.5 syndrome, beta. So it is not horizontal gaze palsy. ना बेटा थायराइड भी नहीं हो सकता. ग्रेव्स ऑल्सो कैनॉट बी देयर. थायराइड इज ऑप्शन. गुड. हाँ डॉक्टर आशीष, रॉन्ग इमेज हो सकता है. सेंड मी दैट करेक्ट इमेज. ठीक है, आई एम राइटिंग माय नंबर हियर. ओके, सेंड मी द करेक्ट इमेज. इट मे बी राइट आई लेफ्ट आई ऑपोजिट, बट दिस इज द करेक्शन. ओके, ठीक है, चलिए मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टाइप ऑफ आरडी सीन इन अनकंट्रोल्ड डायबिटीज. वी आर ऑल अवेयर, टाइप ऑफ आरडी सीन इन uncontrolled diabetes is tractional RD. Because of the vitreous hemorrhage, there is forms vitreous bands. This is a repeat question. This is absolutely same. Okay, correct है. A lot of people are saying image सही है. Some are saying image, हाँ image doesn't matter. ठीक है, right left doesn't matter. Come to the next question. Tractional RD, tractional. ठीक है, this is very simple question. Tractional RD, easy peasy. Yes, this was easy peasy. Okay. Now there was a question of optic neuritis. I've not been able to get all the options. This one was 70% of patients present with optic neuritis. No, they don't present. Okay, optic neuritis will get 50% patient will get an attack of multiple sclerosis. Okay, sorry. So it is going to be 50% of multiple sclerosis patients will get an attack of optic neuritis. 50% patients of MS will get optic neuritis once in lifetime. So they do not present with this. That is a very high. Okay. Optic neuritis presents with normal fundus. Yes, it can happen. This is seen in retrobulbar neuritis. Okay, this can be seen. Okay, correct. Option number C and D I have not been able to gather. So it was, I believe, there was. So one is treated with oral steroids. Treated with oral steroids. Treated with oral steroids. This is a wrong option. Treated with oral steroids. This is also wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. As long as this is correct. Oral steroids directly are contraindicated. ठीक है, oral steroid no, intravenous steroids are drug of choice beta. ठीक है, intravenous is there. Okay, and yes, one was visual field and color defect correlate with the disease. Correlate with disease. No, they do not. ठीक है, not necessarily. ठीक है, so as of now optic neuritis can present with a normal fundus or normal disc. ठीक है, that can be there. Okay, it can be there. Correct. Next question. Test done for all layers of retina. Proportionate, not necessarily proportionate to disease. Visual field and color vision defects are not always proportional. Okay, they can be more also, they can be less. Okay, oral steroids are definitely contraindicated. Next question, question number 5. Test done for all layers of retina is OCT. Is OCT. It was multiple choice. But I have not been able to gather all the choices better. ठीक है, multiple choices. We will discuss that. ठीक है, OCT ये तो correct है. This was no options, no confusion regarding this question. Question number 6. Corneal transplant image was given. I believe there was an image in which they had shown a cornea with a graft inside, and they had given this image of corneal transplant, and they were asked about the storage medium and the sutures used. So storage medium is MK medium, and the suture is 10-0 monofilament nylon. That is correct. ठीक है, that is correct. Okay, this is the correct answer. MK medium vicryl suture. No, it is not vicryl suture. Moist chamber silk suture. It is not silk suture. It is not vicryl suture. Okay, the correct answer is 10-0 monofilament. ठीक है, ये वाला है. अच्छा, रेटिना इन वीवो. रेटिना, हाँ, इन वीवो भी ठीक है. इन वीवो ओसीटी होता है. इट इज इन वीवो. ऑल ऑफ देम आर इन वीवो. देयर इज नो इन विट्रो. ऑल ऑफ देम आर इन वीवो. ठीक है, चलें. Okay, correct. Yes, this is all correct. And the last question was there, after cataract surgery, patient will flare cells after 2 weeks. What's the condition in which organism is responsible? ठीक है, endophthalmitis is the condition. And 2 weeks. See, 2 weeks is a time when you will get streptococcus. Propionibacterial acnes causes after 6 weeks. P acnes causes after 6 weeks. Mucormycosis will be in immunocompromised. Mucormycosis will be in immunocompromised. And TAS is presents within first 24 hours. Okay, toxic anti-shock syndrome presents within 24 hours. ठीक है, हाँ, staph या strep. Staph या strep. ठीक है, I believe there was a choice with strep. And no organism. अच्छा, ठीक है, I will delete this organism. ठीक है, but TAS presents within 24 hours. It was staph. Okay, good. So the staph, then it is absolutely correct. Then this is the correct answer. Okay, staph था. ठीक है, प्रोपियोने नहीं है. प्रोपियोने is delayed onset. Propione is delayed onset. This we have done in our classes. ठीक है, correct. So these were the questions that were there. In case, was there any other question that you guys got? Please WhatsApp it to me on my number, or you can share it on the Cerebellum channel. Cephalococcus was the option. Okay, thank you, thank you. Then that is absolutely correct. Then that is absolutely correct. No confusion regarding that. After 2 weeks है ना, ठीक है, no 24 hours. It was after 2 weeks.